Hello, welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm making chili. Usually I use ground beef, but today I'm using ground chicken. I have 2 pounds of ground chicken. I have 8 tomato, but I clean, I blend it, I take the skin out and the seeds. Okay. I have 6 mixed pepper. I have 6 cloves of garlic. I have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I have full envelope of chili. I have paprika, 2 tablespoons. I have half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I have garlic powder and I have onion powder, cumin, and onion flakes. Each one a tablespoon. And I have tablespoon of salt, 6 large onion, 2 cans of kidney beans, and I have 4 celery stick. I have 5 carrot, and I have olive oil. So I want to start. I'm gonna heat my stove into high. I wanna add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. For that, I wanna add the onion, and I'll wait. Okay. This is how it looks like. This is the onion. I always start with the onion. Okay. The onion is done. I will add the chicken. Okay. And this is how it looks. I put the onion and then I put the chicken, and now I'm adding the carrot, mix a little bit, okay. To that I gotta add all the spice. Garlic and I will add salt and celery. With the celery I use the whole thing, even the stamp on it. I use it all because all the flavor is there, so I don't want to miss it. Okay, mix a little bit. And in goes the pepper. Look at the beautiful color. Beautiful. Gotta mix everything together. You should, oh my God, the smell, it's amazing. I add the tomato paste, and to that I'm adding the tomatoes. Mix a little bit. Okay, and we'll leave it a little bit. For the color, I just want to add like a tablespoon of dry parsley. And to that, I'm adding the last things. It's the kidney beans. Okay. Mix. It needs to be on the stove for another like half an hour, and everything will be ready, and I'll show you how it look like when it's done. Look at that color, even it smells so good. I put the stove in high. Now I wanna reduce it into the medium and cover it. Okay, I will say another half an hour and it will be finished. Okay, here I have large potato, sweet potato. I wanna put garlic and I wanna put the cheese on the top. Pretend that I'm eating garlic bread with my chili. Okay, I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, here I wanna make garlic bread. I have 4 slices of bread. I make it into pieces. I toast it, and then I'm adding to that 2 tablespoons of butter and chop up garlic, like I will say half a teaspoon. Mix it together well, just like that. Oops. And I have here sweet potato, the whole sweet potato. Okay, cook halfway. I cook halfway the potato. This is that all what you need to put it all over the bread, just like that. And I want to do the same thing with the sweet potato, just like that. Cover it all. Sweet potato, I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, but I thought I want to do it like halfway, but it's already full cooked. I need it halfway if you can. If not like that, it's okay too. Okay, let me finish those. To that, I will add some mozzarella cheese. You put how much you want cheese. Okay, and I'll show you when I'm done. So I put the cheese on it and I preheat the oven for 375. I will leave it until the cheese melted and it's enough. So this is how it looked like. My garlic bread is done. My lovely sweet potato is done too. Okay, this is my plate and my lovely husband plate. So I will add the cheese to it. Okay, any kind of cheese, but I prefer like first the mozzarella. And let me see. Perfect. Very good.